All devices in the ADECIA audio system are powered by the PoE switch. PoE means Power over Ethernet. We start by connecting the RMCR processor as shown here. Make sure that you use the Dante port when doing so. When connecting the ADECIA tabletop microphone to the PoE switch, the unit will flash green for 10 to 15 seconds. The green light will then turn steady. Then connect the speakers to the switch. A green LED will be lit for 10 seconds at the bottom of the speaker. You don't have to follow a certain order when connecting the LAN cables to the PoE switch, as the processor will identify the different units. This concludes the first part on learning more about the ADECIA online conference solution.